earthworm. Let us observe an earthworm moving on soil in a garden. We will gently lift it and place it on a piece of blotting or filter paper and observe its movement. Later, we will place it on a smooth glass plate or any slippery surface and observe its movement. Is it different from that on paper? In which of the above two surfaces do you find that the earthworm is able to move easily? Earthworms will move faster on a rough surface than on a smooth surface. This is because of higher traction on rough surfaces, which helps their body to grip the surface. It becomes slower on a smooth surface because its body does not get any grip with the surface. An earthworm does not have bones. Their body is made up of many rings joined end to end. It has muscles which help to extend and shorten the body. During the movement, the earthworm first extends the front part of the body, keeping the rear portion fixed to the ground. Then it fixes the front end and releases the rear end. It then shortens the body and pulls the rear end forward. This makes it move forward by a small distance. Repeating such muscle expansions and contractions, the earthworm can move through soil. Its body secretes a slimy substance to help the movement. So how does it fix parts of its body to the ground? Under its body, it has a large number of tiny bristles, hair-like structures projecting out. The bristles are connected with muscles. The bristles help to get a good grip on the ground. The earthworm actually eats its way through the soil. Its body then throws away the undigested part of the material that it eats. This activity of an earthworm makes the soil more useful for plants. Cockroach. You all know that cockroaches can walk and climb as well as fly in the air. For them to walk, there are 3 pairs of legs. The body of cockroach is covered with a hard outer skeleton. This outer skeleton is made of number of plates joined together that permits movement. There are distinct muscles near the legs to move the legs for walking. For the cockroaches to fly, there are 2 pairs of wings attached to the body behind head. The body muscles move the wings when the cockroach flies.